Cooking enthusiasts, meet your new favorite kitchen tool. This Whatever Pan by Jean Patrique. This cast aluminum griddle pan redefines versatility and convenience in cooking, offering the functionality of traditional cast iron without the hefty weight. If you're tired of struggling with heavy cookware but still crave that authentic grilling experience, this pan is the perfect solution. Let's dive into why the Whatever Pan is becoming a must-have for kitchens everywhere. Why you need the Whatever Pan? Still on the fence? Here's a quick rundown of why the Whatever Pan deserves a place in your kitchen. 1. Lightweight and durable. Enjoy the benefits of cast iron without the bulk. 2. Versatile cooking. Compatible with various stovetops and ovens, perfect for any recipe. 3. Mess-free design. Deep ridges prevent spills and splatters while enhancing food quality. 4. Health-conscious. Non-stick, non-toxic coating for guilt-free cooking. 5. Eco-friendly commitment. Responsibly manufactured with sustainable packaging. Why the Whatever Pan stands out. The Whatever Pan isn't just another grill pan, it's an innovative addition to modern cookware. Made from cast aluminum, it combines lightweight design with incredible durability. Here's why it's turning heads. 1. Lightweight yet durable. Unlike traditional cast iron pans, which can feel like lifting a workout weight, the Whatever Pan offers the same level of durability in a much lighter package. 2. Superior heat conductivity. The cast aluminum material ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals every time. 3. Multi-surface compatibility. Whether you're cooking on gas, induction, ceramic, electric, or even a camping fire, this pan does it all. This pan is more than just practical. It's a game changer for anyone looking to simplify their cooking routine without sacrificing quality. Deep ridges for clean and healthy cooking. One of the standout features of the Whatever Pan is its 4.5 centimeter deep ridges, designed to keep your kitchen mess-free. These ridges also serve a dual purpose. Spill prevention. Say goodbye to oil splatters and sauce spills. The high sides keep everything contained, making cleanup a breeze. Grill marks and oil drainage. Create restaurant-quality grill marks on your food while allowing excess oil to drain away, resulting in healthier meals. Whether you're grilling meats, searing veggies, or flipping pancakes, the Whatever Pan delivers results that are both delicious and Instagram-worthy. From stove to oven, ultimate versatility. The Whatever Pan isn't just confined to the stovetop. Its oven-safe design lets you seamlessly transition your dishes from stove to oven, making it ideal for recipes that require multiple cooking techniques. High heat resistance. The pan is oven-safe up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, while the lid can handle temperatures up to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for one-pot meals. Start your dish on the stove, finish it in the oven, and serve it straight from the pan. This versatility eliminates the need for additional cookware, saving time, space, and effort in the kitchen. Healthier cooking with non-stick excellence. For those prioritizing healthier lifestyles, the Whatever Pan checks all the right boxes. Its non-toxic, non-stick surface lets you cook with minimal oil, promoting cleaner and healthier meals. Eco-friendly design. Manufactured responsibly and shipped in environmentally friendly packaging, the pan is as kind to the planet as it is to your cooking. Chemical-free coating. Free from PFOA, PFAS, lead, and nickel, you can trust this pan to be safe for you and your family. This pan not only enhances your cooking but also supports your health and well-being. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this pan simplifies your cooking routine while delivering exceptional results. Conclusion. Elevate your cooking game. The Whatever Pan cast aluminum griddle pan by Jean Patrique isn't just a piece of cookware. It's an investment in better, more enjoyable cooking. From its lightweight yet durable design to its unmatched versatility, this pan caters to every cooking style and need. Ready to take your meals to the next level? With its thoughtful design, eco-conscious features, and incredible performance, the Whatever Pan is a must-have addition to your kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.